Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger on iPhone. So if you're using iPhone and if you have deleted some messages, but now you want those messages back and you don't know what to do, so just follow this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up Messenger here. And if I have deleted some message now, how can I recover it? What do I need to do? I need to click here on the menu icon, which is right below. You can see at the bottom right. Let me just show you where it is. If you can't see, it's right here. The menu is right here. So once when you're here, you have to click on archive, which is right here. And if you have deleted some message, there's a slight chance that those messages will be saved here in the archive folder. But unfortunately, if you don't have any messages saved in the archive folder, like the messages that you have deleted, then what you can do, just follow this video, and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So then what you need to do, you need to go back, and then you need to click on the settings icon, which is right here. And then what you need to do, you need to come down and click on see more in account center. Now once when you click it, you are here in the account center of Meta. You need to click here on your information and permissions. Once when you do it, then what you need to do, you need to click on download your information, or you can also click on transfer a copy of your information, but let's go with download your information. Now it's gonna ask about download or transfer information. You need to click here. And then what you need to do, you need to click on your Facebook, because it gives you two options, either Facebook or Instagram, but you can click on Facebook and click continue or next. And here you will be asked available information or specific types of information. You're going to click on specific types of information. And from here, what you need to do is you need to click on messages, and then you need to click next. And it will ask you whether you need to download it to device or transfer to destination. You have to click on download to device, and then it's going to ask you the date range, sorry. Like, do you want the messages of last week, last month, past 3 months, 6 months, last year, or last 3 years? That's completely up to you, but it's going to take some time. So for example, you can click here and then you can click save, and then you can also change the format if you want. Do you want an HTML or a JSON? That's completely up to you. And you can also select the media quality, and then you can click create files. So once when you click on create files, it's gonna create those messages for you, and it's gonna take some time, but whenever it's ready, you will get a notification from Facebook that it's ready, and then you can download it. So it was as easy as it is. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.